Hey, Angela Hochman here, your host of In the Kitchen on STL TV. I couldn't resist pushing out this episode because it is a really fun holiday edition. And we have a fun tradition that my mom and I do every year. We make these really fun, festive pretzel rods. Okay, so this is the pretzel making in action. We take the very simple Snyder's pretzel rods. We melt bark. So my mom and I like to choose, we have white chocolate, we have dark chocolate. Obviously, this is regular chocolate. So you melt it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Do not, I repeat, do not overcook it. I thought it was fun to use this little, it's a paintbrush. Essentially, I think it's meant for barbecue, but we get creative here in our kitchen if you haven't learned. And it looks like it's from St. Louis Magazine, a little shout out. And here's my favorite part, the toppings. Boom, boom. Festive, we got candy cane, we got these colors for Hanukkah, we got coconut, yum, more blue, and heath. Let's go with peppermint on this one. Take some toppings, and then you twirl and sprinkle. Again, twirl and sprinkle. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. And the most important key, let these things cool. They need at least, 15, 20 minutes or so before you start putting them in the bags. If you don't want to use the rods like this, another fun way we found to get festive with pretzels are the Snyder's snaps. Bada bing, bada boom, Exhibit A. They're super tiny, and it's a great way to use excess chocolate. That's our other assistant, Olson Hochman, in the background. So look at that. You just dip it like 3/4 of the way, and then boom. We're going to call this one Hanukkah on a snap pretzel. Done. Let's do another one. Okay, let it drip for a minute. Again, like 2/3 of the way, roughly. Let's go a little more festive with that for Christmas. Okay, so we found out another fun way to get sassy with the pretzels. One thing we don't like to do in our family is waste food. So we've got some extra white chocolate here. See, grab a fork. We're gonna jazz up a few of these. Like, these are cute pretzels, but we think they need a little something, something. So here we go. There we go. Thank you so much for watching this at-home edition of In the Kitchen on STL TV. Again, we took over my family's kitchen today, making this wonderfully fun, festive pretzels. So that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to everything STL TV. All right, that's it. I'm Angela Hochman.